What's up, guys? Darren over here from Jaspr. I'm here with my man Keith behind the camera at Trein Club over here in Houston. It's a pretty fancy state-of-the-art gym. It's got jiu-jitsu, it's got yoga, it's striking. We're gonna do a delivery. We got a bunch of Jaspers in the car. We're gonna set these up today. First, we're just gonna start off with a quick particle counter for the outdoor air. Houston has pretty dirty air, so we'll kind of get a good look at what it is over here. It's looking like the air has some decent amount of particulates over here. Today, we're gonna check out inside, do an air test in there. We're also gonna get some training in.
And you're most excited about what?
The jiu-jitsu and giving people clean air too. That's here.
I caught someone with this the other day. I went. Top class today. At least we found out. Jaspr guys for roll. Let's go.
So we just got done with a killer training session over here at Trein Club. Now we're gonna set up these Jaspers all around the gym. So we got 5 Jaspers set up. Let's start taking these out. We'll just start bringing these in one by one, and then we can figure out the best place for all of them too. So this tells you the amount of like particulates, which is like VOCs, so like whether it's dust, pollen, like allergens. So over here, it's about like 17,000 at like the smallest level, so like the really small ones, like particles. 2,000 at like the bigger level, 171, 16, 6, 0. So when we were outside, it was like around the same, actually a little bit cleaner. So once we get these Jaspers running, hopefully these numbers go like a lot more down. You'll notice the air quality is just gonna like get better in here over the course of like a few days, few weeks even. You guys are gonna be like seeing a difference. So we'll get these set up all around the gym.
We can do one here right by the phone.
Yeah, that would be great, because that's like right when you walk in, people are gonna see it right away. They're gonna be like, what's this? And then once the plastic seal is broken, that's when like the carbon in the filter starts working, which is what gets rid of like all the smells and like also helps clean the air a little bit more too. So that's when like that 6-month timer starts almost. Then you just line it up, make sure everything's all tight over there. That's good. So we got it all plugged in. You're gonna see the red light over here. So this is just the power button. You just press it. When it first turns on, it'll be on smart mode. If you wanna just do a steady fan speed, you can just press speed. That now goes to fan speed 2 over there. Since there's gonna be a lot of people like walking in and out, there could be a lot more particulates in the air. I'd keep it on like a steady fan speed, maybe 3. So maybe if like you guys are rolling on the mats, you just like have it on a fan speed 4, and it's gonna do the best job at cleaning the air over here. We'll get the rest of these all set up. Just show me like kind of like where you kind of want it. We'll just spread them out that way. So we got 4 left, 1 for the coffee shop, yoga studio.
You wanna do here first?
Yeah, let's do
here first.
Yeah. This is the one where I'd recommend, since like it's a bigger space, keep it on like a higher fan speed, just so it circulates the air a lot better.
This is where we're putting our next one on the office space.
So who like designed the place? Like whose idea was, this is all you?
Yes.
Dude, this is great. What's this supposed to represent?
You know, white belt, black belt, and the gray. Every single mat has an explanation. The color of the mat, the color of the wall. You can see clearly here like the change of the color, because this is a beginner mat, so it's the white belt. And the advanced is that gray mat, because that's where you want to be, on the gray area between being a forever white belt, constantly black belt. So everything has a name and a story behind, you know. If you change the E for A, it's train, locomotive, or training. If you take the I and the N out and put a M, that's the same word in Portuguese, trein. So it's the y'all of my state. Because we have all these modalities here, that is a little bit of everything. So we use train. Train is everything. A play in the words for the meaning of, that's cool, what we have. Here's the yoga, and this is where we're probably going to be able to see like a big change.
Yeah, because it's a smaller space too. You guys are all going to be in here breathing and everything. This is going to be great. We're just going to do a quick particle test to see the air that's coming from the Jaspr. So we were just testing the air over here, and you can see it's as high as 12,000, 1,400, 86. Now we're going to see the air that's coming from the Jaspr, 447, 37, and all zeros after that. So the air coming from the Jaspr is like some of the cleanest air that you could possibly be breathing. You're going to see like really good results. So we have one more Jaspr. We get that set up in the cafe right next door. And yeah, then we'll be all done.
And all these steps in.
Yes, sir. A lot of steps, a lot of training, man. Good day, good day. Are there good acai spots around here? Or
right here.
Are you
Cafe Trein with the best acai in the United States.
Oh wow, this is beautiful. God. Hey,
You want a coffee? So we have a air scrubber now.
Yes, sir. Super effective, super high-end air purifier, so the air is going to be circulating really great in here. Thank you so much. Thank you.
You had outside before?
I have, but not this good.
Yeah,
When did Trein start? Tell me more about its conception.
Conception started with Cafe Trein. I was debating what's gonna be the jiu-jitsu gym called. You already have the logo, and on the logo is perfect. We came back with our brand designer and we said, hey, we need a master brand now. And then we played a little of the design of the fonts, and then we created Trein to be the main brand. And then under Trein, you have jiu-jitsu in Trein, yoga in Trein, kickboxing in Trein, recovery. It's not a jiu-jitsu gym. We're not a team. We're actually a club. I grew up in Brazil going to a club. On the weekends, we'll go in, wake up early in the morning, backpack, and you go in and you go play soccer, ping pong, sauna, Pateca, that's I don't even know the name in English. We just spend the whole day. You eat there, you spend time with your family, you go swimming. It's like a country club here in the United States. And you don't have a lot of that unless into a very elite status, because country clubs are very expensive. Now we built something that we actually can have classes and you still have that country club feeling. It's hey, I'm going to do a sauna, I'm going to do a plunge, I'm going to play a little ping pong. Boutique quality in a corporate level.
Yeah.
The definition. It's a big project,
No, definitely. But you guys have a great headquarters over here, so just keep on taking this concept and taking it to other places. I think you guys could definitely expand. It's a great idea. Everybody else is really doing something like this,
I don't think you like it. Thank you guys for coming.
Everybody did. Yeah.
Can you breathe better already?
Oh, really?
Hey, already went done.
Yeah. And this is just a few minutes with the door open and everything. Now imagine the door closed, the heat's going, everybody's in here breathing. This is going to make a huge difference. It's already 8,000 compared to the 11,000 that it was before. So it's already going down a lot.
Nice.
So if you keep all these running, you guys are going to notice the difference in air quality over here. But yeah, dude, that's about it. If you have any questions, you have my number. Just text me anything about the Jaspers. We should get a picture, the three of us, real quick before we head out, a selfie or something. I don't know. Just
you want to get on the outside with this time?
I don't mind. Yeah, whatever works.